If you would like to know how to make Harry Potter butterbeer cookies, then you're in the right place. And while you're at it, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Hello and welcome back to Simon's Bacon Isolation Inspiration. If you're new to the channel, welcome. We're a baking channel where we don't take ourselves too seriously and we have fudging good fun while we bake. Now, as you well know, today we're making butterbeer cookies. This was an inspiration to me from my good friend Potter Poppet, whose YouTube channel is absolutely fantastic. If you're into Harry Potter, go check her out. I'll leave the link in the description down below. And honestly, she does DIY, she does potions, she does unboxing Harry Potter stuff. It is proper good. Now the reason why me and Potter Poppet are friends is because I am actually a real life wizard. And I'll prove it to you by doing a simple, quick magic trick. So Becky, pick a card, any way you want. Show it to the audience at home. Pop it back. I'm going to close my eyes and shuffle them. Now, get my wand and I shall say the magic word. Revelio. This is your card.
No.
What? Leave a comment down below, peeps, to let me know what your favourite Harry Potter book or Harry Potter film is. Personally, my favourite book is The Deathly Hallows and my favourite film is The Order of the Phoenix. The ingredients you're going to need to make these butterbeer cookies is as follows. In this bowl, I have got 300 grams of plain flour. In this bowl, I have got 90 grams of caster sugar. If you ain't got caster, use granulated. Who cares? In this bowl, I have got 113 grams of butter. In this bowl, I've got 90 grams of light brown sugar. In this bowl, I've got 3 grams of salt. And in this little pot, I've got 5 grams of baking powder. And in the big boy, I've got 3 chicky eggs. A splish of vanilla extract. 1 packet of butterscotch powder mix. I've gone for the Angel Delight stuff. In this bowl, I have got 100 grams of butterscotch chips. You can get this stuff from Sainsbury's, that's where I got mine. And finally, the magic ingredient in my Harry Potter bowl, I've got 100 grams of toffees. I've got these Werther's original soft ones. You can't beat them. Before we start throwing ingredients into bowls, get your parents or whoever's annoying you at home to do the most boring job, and that is lining 2 baking tins or trays, whatever. To start with, get your butter and straight in the bowl. Next, go in with your brown sugar and go in with your caster sugar. Now you want to cream the butter and sugar together until it's all creamed together. Now this is the consistency that you're looking for. Now it's time to go in with your eggs. Go in one at a time. So give it a crack. Straight in. Now, using a hand whisk. I don't want to see none of you cheaters at home using electric. How boring is that? Get a hand whisk. Get in there and whisk it together. Now it's time to go in with your second egg. Now with your last one, you just need the egg yolk. So I've got a bowl to put my egg whites in and save the egg whites because you can always make meringue with them. And funnily enough, if you want to know how to make meringue, I have a video on it right here. And just whisk that last bit in. Next, and finally, go in with a splish of your vanilla extract, or in my case, bean paste, because that's all they add. Splish. That's it for the wet ingredients. Let's crack on with the dry ingredients. So, with your flour, go in with your salt, baking powder, and your Angel Delight mix. Now with your whisking fingers, just give that a little stir together. Now it's time to add that to that. So with a sieve, just pop a whole lot in and just sieve it into your sugary, eggery mixture. Now with your whisk, just whisk this all together until all the flour has been incorporated. Now this is quite a thick mixture, so to finish it off, get your spatula in and just give it a little beat together. Next, when it's like that, go in with your butterscotch pieces. And now we need to go in with the toffees, but they're quite big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them up into nice bite-sized pieces. With these, watch your fingers, chop them in half. And half again. That's the sort of size you're looking for. Little chunks like that. Now look at that. Give that a little mix together. Now it's time to get that onto these trays. Now you can do it either way. You can use a spoon and tablespoon and splodge them on, or you can try rolling them, but it will get a bit sticky. I'm going to have a go getting sticky because I like getting mucky. Now the size is up to you. If you want to make them bigger, get a bigger spoon. If you want to make them smaller, get a teaspoon. I find a tablespoon is perfect. So with a tablespoon, pop it in your hand, give it a gentle little roll. Just pop it. Now continue doing this until all your batter is gone really. And there we go. That mixture made 12, 13-ish cookies. It depends. These ones are a little bit bigger because I'm greedy and I want a nice big cookie. Now, these have got to go in the fridge for 10 minutes to let the butter just firm up. And in the meantime, get your ovens on, gas mark free or 160 degrees. Get it on. And there we go. Now, you muggles out there would probably put these in the oven, gas mark 3, 20 minutes. But me being a wizard, I'm just going to use some spells and get them cooked. Ready? Cook here. And there we go. They are all cooked. Yes, they may not look the prettiest. Yes, it does look like Hagrid made these. But you know what? It doesn't matter what they look like. It's all about the taste. Time to get one of these bad boys into my tummy. And I tell you what, it's going to be delicious. It's got toffee, it's got butterscotch, it's a cookie, it's a winner roast dinner in my opinion. So let's delve in. Is this your card?
Yeah.
Told you I was a wizard. Here we go. That is proper good. Tastes just like butterbeer, whatever butterbeer tastes like. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch my video. If you've enjoyed it and you want to subscribe to me, click on my face right here. And while you're at it, click here to see all my other videos. Thank you very much. I'll tell you what, if I was fighting Voldemort, I would just have a Cadaver with his pale looking ass.